Hey everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be making a Denver scramble. You are not going to want to miss this one. Well, hey, and welcome back to It's Only Food, and thanks so much for watching. I am Chef John Politte, and if this is your first time watching this channel, or you just want to learn how to make awesome food, or maybe even learn how to start your own cooking channel right here on YouTube, then start right now by clicking on that subscribe button and then hitting that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. Well, you clicked on this video to watch me show you how to make a Denver scramble. So let's head into the kitchen, see what our ingredients are, and get busy on this wonderful egg dish. Very simple, easy cook today. I got some diced ham. I've got some peppers and onions that were left over from our fantastic pizza show that we did. Eggs here, and some cheddar cheese. All right, let's get back in there and start cooking. All right, get our pan hot. Add about a tablespoon of oil. That oil all over the pan. Throw our onions and peppers in. We just want to cook these peppers and onions until they start to caramelize just a touch. We'll just add our ham in there now. Same thing with the ham, we just want to get some color on it. Let the sugars that were put in there when it was cured come out and caramelize there and bring out some good flavor. Scramble our eggs. Now, growing up and working up in the industry, I always thought that a Denver egg or a Western egg omelet, sandwich, or scramble was different, and the two were decisively very different. I thought that the Western came without cheese and the Denver came with cheese, even if it's an omelet or a sandwich, or what we're doing now is a scramble. Going on the World Wide Web and doing research for this video, I saw that there are some very different opinions about a Western and a Denver omelet, scramble, or sandwich. And I would like to hear your opinion on what you think the difference is between a Western or a Denver, or if there is no difference at all. So leave that comment below while we continue making this and plate it up. Now I like to add my cheese when the eggs are just about done, so we're going to do that now. I've turned the heat off. The eggs will still continue to cook. We're going to mix this cheese in. And we're going to come back, plate it up, take a ton of pictures of it for social media, throw some toast on it probably too, find some groovy music, lay that in the timeline with those pictures, complete this video. We're going to come back and we're going to taste this. Okay, well I've got my toast, and I cut my toast in half this way instead of diagonally because then I can put the egg in there and fold it and make a little sandwich, where it's kind of hard to do that without when you cut it at a diagonal. A little salsa on here just to tick off all the purists. I do like hot sauce on my eggs. Salsa is a nice addition. I have seen this actually in Denver eating one of these, so everybody calm down. I also like to throw a little sour cream on there as well. But there you go. Onions, peppers, ham, the egg and some cheese in there. And now I am going to fold it into one of these little pieces of toast, set up the tripod over here, and we'll eat it. All right, there you go. I've got that egg right in there with the toast, like I said. I like to just fold that over, as I'm sure most of you do too. Now I'm gonna give this a bite. Oh yeah, very, very good. You got the rich velvetiness of the egg, the bite of the pepper and the onion, a little saltiness from that ham. Then you throw it on that toast with that butter. That brings it all together. Don't forget to leave a comment below. Join the conversation. Is this a Western or a Denver scramble? Thanks a lot for watching. All right, thanks so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that description box below for the 5 links that I have down there for you. The first one is a link to all my e-commerce stores that I have my gourmet seasonings on. The second one is a link to a playlist that I have made of how to make a YouTube cooking channel. The third link is for TubeBuddy, which is a toolkit that you will need in order to make your YouTube cooking channel a success. 4 is a link to my Amazon storefront. Everything I use on this channel is in a storefront there. Click on that link, you'll see everything I use. It is an affiliate link, so I do make a little bit of money on each purchase that is made. And 5 is all my social media links that I have. Don't forget that I have a chef page on Facebook that is also an aggregate site for other creators on YouTube that I like to feature on there. So click on that chef page one and give it a like as well. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Make sure to like this video and this channel. Leave all your comments right down below. And then do me a favor and share this video and this channel with everybody you know. Thanks a lot for watching. We will see you again right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.